All right, guys, welcome everybody. My name is Bas Kooijman. I am from iMarketsLive. I'm working with iMarketsLive for about 1.5 years, and I'm really happy to see you all here online. If you are watching the recording, feel free to ask any questions using the contact details below the video, or of course, return back to the person who sent you this video because he or she had a very good intention showing you this information. We are here with the iMarkets Live presentation. This is the newest version. We are about the start of March now. We are just back from our international convention in Las Vegas, and we got some great new products and some great new slides to show you guys. So some of the slides are still very new to me as well, so bear with me, and if there's any questions, always feel free to ask me that. A very small disclaimer, you can read the text here, but basically what it's saying is that when you are a trader or when you learn how to trade, it is not 100% sure that you are going to make money. You need to work for it. You need to actually put the trades in your trading account. And when you are with the trades in your trading account, you have the option to make serious amounts of money, but you need to do it. So the second thing is that when you are a coach with us, if you choose later, completely optional to become also one of our coaches. If you have nobody to coach, there's also no money involved. So this is just a very small disclaimer that I need to share with you guys. What's really important is the two biggest financial markets that we are actually working for with iMarkets Live. The first one is the foreign exchange market. Now, the foreign exchange market, for everybody new, you probably all have been a part of this already. When you are traveling to another country, and let's say you are in Europe, you have the euro, and you're traveling to Great Britain, England, where they are using the Great British pound, you need to exchange your cash from one currency to another currency. Also, when you are paying by bank card and when you are paying in shops online or offline, there's a lot of foreign exchanges happening, because if you have your savings amount in euros but you're paying in a web shop from the owner of somebody in England, he will probably wants to receive pounds. So online and by the banks, there is a lot of foreign exchange happening all the time, every day. Therefore, this is the largest market with $5.3 trillion per day of volume. This is the most liquid and biggest market worldwide, everywhere. So the market is open for 24 hours a day, for 5 days a week, from Monday morning, Sunday evening, till Friday afternoon. So we have the whole week to trade on the foreign exchange market, and with iMarkets Live, we want to show you how to do that. The cool thing is you can trade it without any physical owning cash. Everything is digital. Everything has apps nowadays. So with the MetaTrader 4 app that is supported by all brokers, we have the ability to trade from your phone, from your tablet, from your laptop, from basically everywhere. So the foreign exchange market is the easiest market to trade with and to start with. The second market that we are putting more and more attention to is the cryptocurrency market, or the digital currency market. And the digital currency markets are growing up to $1 trillion in market capacity. So basically what this means, basically what this means is that there's $1 trillion that other people had in US dollars or euros or pounds before, and they changed it into a digital currency. Most of you heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and one of the many other digital currencies that are available right now. And in some countries, the cryptocurrencies are actually already bigger than the local form of payment, where there's a very volatile or basically going down in value currency used and mostly enhanced by their government, and that they actually like more to use digital currencies as entrepreneurs for their work. So cryptocurrency is a market that's here, that's not going to be away anymore, and this can also be traded just straight from your phone. So most people start to learn to trade on a foreign exchange market or forex market, and people that are having a high interest in digital currencies can directly start there, or learn forex first and then grow into trading more with cryptocurrencies. So that's what we do. And just a little bit about the background about our corporate leadership. The guy in the middle, Christopher Terry, is an amazing trader for over 25 years. He's a real veteran trader, somebody that's here from almost the beginning of the digital forex world. And 5 years ago, he chose to start iMarketsLive. After 20 years of being employed and working for banks, hedge funds, and governments, he chose to say, I'm going to start iMarketsLive, where I'm going to help other people to learn what I know. And I never seen a more humble guy that is just honestly here to help. He doesn't have to do it for the money anymore. I was in his apartment in Las Vegas a few weekends ago, and we were there with a group of educators, and I can tell you, Christopher Terry is just a very nice, normal guy. He just really earned his stripes in trading. And I have heard that he is at this moment a 9-figure trader. He's trading himself. I've seen his trade set up. He's trading every day. And he is really trading with like the 9 big screens on really the full market capacity. And he knows what to do in there. And he is the founder and kind of the father of the company, helping us how to learn how to trade. Now, he luckily doesn't have to do this all by himself. Isis de la Torre, his wife, is helping him with this more from operational side. She's our CFO. She is taking care of all the coaches. She's taking care of everything that's going on around in the company. The legal side, the different offices we have in New York and London. And she is just really the rock of this company where everybody can lean on. Now, on the left of Chris, we have Alex Morton and Ivan Tapia, our sales representatives that are flying all over the world, because iMarketsLive at this moment is helping over 80,000 people in 120 different countries. And a big part of them are speaking English. That's where Alex is going, but a very large part of him is also Ivan Tapia's territory, where everybody is speaking Spanish or Portuguese. Completely on the right, we see Jason Brown. And Jason was one of our main leaders, or is still actually one of our main leaders, as chairman 500, helping over 30,000 students in our company, together with his business partner, Matthew Rosa. But Jason was always the guy where we can go to when something was not going the right way. Like when there were some issues, when there were some things that we needed to change, when there was some things that we locally really needed, that's the moment where we actually got Jason to help us out. And since a couple of months, he's officially part of our corporate team as Vice President of Field Operations. So I'm really happy to see my friend and mentor there helping us out in whatever situation we come across. Now, talking about the products, how we teach people how to trade. I'm sorry for my voice sometimes. I'm doing multiple presentations today. I talked a lot today in the Lithuanian office. We have a back office in Lithuania with the team. Everybody needed to get updated regarding our new plans for the next half a year. So I talked a lot today, but I tried to get you guys through it. So the IML Academy is basically the place where you start. IML Academy has over 100 educational videos where everybody can start from the real zero level, from A level to C level. Like you can go all the way into technical analysis, market geometry, everything that Christopher Terry knows is somewhere in the videos. So everything is recorded. You can watch it as many times as you want. It's subtitled in many, many other languages. And this is where everybody starts. And now the first 24 videos are called the basic course. And if you went through the first 24 videos, you will learn a lot about terminology, the way where we speak, how we speak, what we mean, and that's just very, very important before moving on. So I can recommend everybody to at least watch the basic videos and then go slowly further in theory as long as you like to go into more depth. The second thing, which is actually most important, is the iMarketsLive TV, because here is where your knowledge goes to practice. Everybody starts on a demo account, and when you have a demo trading account, this is a account on the real market, but with demo money. So you can make every mistake you want. You will not lose your real money, and that's very important because on IML TV we have over 95 educators that are educating our group of traders, the new traders. And what you see when you come to an IML TV session is that you see the screen of the trader, you will hear their voice, you will see their explanations, and there's a chat box to interact with them. So where the IML Academy is just to start with for the theory, IML TV is where the practice starts. You can trade together with the other traders, you can ask all the questions, and you can make sure you get started to trade on your demo account. Now we have a whole variety of tools because we do not want you to start becoming a trader that is going to trade 8 to 12 hours a day. One of my personal main goals, I was a trader like that for over 8 hours a day, and I actually found iMarketsLive with the harmonic scanner. And the harmonic scanner is a tool that's working for you to analyze the market 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And it will find you all the information you need when there is a harmonic pattern in the market. Now, a harmonic pattern, all you need to know is that it's a pattern that comes back multiple times on all kinds of different currency pairs. So when this happens, it's very hard to find with the naked eye yourself. So scanners and other tools are here to help us to find those rare patterns and then know what to do with them, giving us all the information when to start the trade, when to go out of the trade with a small loss, or when to go out of the trade with take profit 1, 2, or 3. So on IML TV, there's more educators helping you to understand how to work with the harmonic scanner and the other tools. But this is a tool that everybody can use right from the start, and it's really easy to use and to start on your demo account with. Then, for a lot of people new, is that we have a new marketplace. And this marketplace is where all our tools got combined, and you can choose what you actually want to use. So the reason that we have different tools is because there's all different people. So in this call are people from different countries. I see people from the Netherlands, I see people from the UK, I see people from Lithuania, I see someone from, I think, Norway, if I'm correct. So the cool thing is that not only from different countries, also from different languages, also from different backgrounds. So there's different tools here. I will go over them very shortly. But every tool has their own specific reason why it can fit you and your trading strategy. Now, the first one is Gold Cup. And Gold Cup is a tool and an app. So it's a website for analyzing and an app that helps you to analyze teacup patterns and gold rush patterns. So basically there are two. It's a pattern scanner for teacups, which is just a certain pattern that comes back into the market every time again and can be learned how to trade on IML TV. And we have a master trader, Luc Longmeier, who is trading gold within our company. He is an amazing trader, and he is putting his analysis and his trades on Gold Cup, and he's teaching his strategy on the IML TV. And I think with Luc, the most important is I'm following him for a long time. I think the most important is that I never saw somebody that is so clear and so open about a winning strategy that he's using for himself to just completely share this with all the ins and outs on IML TV, that you can just learn what he's doing. He is explaining it easily, and you can use the Gold Cup tool to help you with the strategies and to help you take those gold trades. Now the second tool is the swipe coin, and on the last line you see swipe trades. Now these are two apps that are really going to help you to get the first trades going on your demo account and mostly pretty fast on your real account. Now what is with swipe trades and swipe coin, the idea is the same, is that you have a couple of professional traders who are using the IML products and have a lot of experience, and they are giving their trades to you straight to your phone. The only thing you have to do is to copy and paste those trades into your MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and that's it. You start the trade the same as them, you have the result the same as them. These are professional traders on real accounts. Swipe trades is the tool for beginners that gives forex trades, foreign exchange trades, and swipe coin gives trades for the cryptocurrency markets. Now swipe coin also has some extra tools. It's an extra chat box with the cryptocurrency traders because it's a lot of high news, so they wanted to be able to communicate very directly, and they do some extra webinars and some extra training as well. So swipe coin is a real nice app to have. Then the third one is the HFFX, which stands for high frequency foreign exchange, or forex, high frequency forex. And this tool package, it's basically consisting out of the special TV sessions and a special tool to scan the market for high frequency or short-term trades. Those are mostly used by scalpers and mostly used by people who are trading binary options. So we have people from all over the world, and they all have different needs. If we are starting with people in Brazil, if we are starting with people in Nigeria, people maybe have just $10, $20, $30 to trade with. So with high frequency Forex, we can help them to really make some impact on their temporary bank account to make sure that they have the funds to get educated for the longer term and fund their trading accounts for more long-term strategies. High frequency Forex can also be a long-term strategy. Some people really like it and they really specialize in it, and they make a lot of money on it for the long term. So high frequency Forex is really something for the people who like short-term trading and kind of faster trades, and it's really something you need to try out when you mostly the young guys go for it, let's say it like that. If you like the adrenaline, if you like having short-term trades, the high frequency Forex pack is going to be amazing for you. The next one is the level scanner, and everybody knows that there are certain levels in the market. There's psychology levels, there's levels based on different indicators like the Fibonacci sequences and other technical things. Now they are pretty hard to understand. So the level scanner is basically showing you a graph from every pair where all the levels are already drawn into your graph as analytic support. And what they do is they give you where the price is now, and if the recommendation is buy or sell from here till which level. So you always see all 7 levels, you see all Fibonacci lines, and you will always see when to go in with a buy or a sell, or to when the market returns, when to go in to the other direction. This is honestly amazing, and the level scanner I know is going to help a lot of people. The next one is the pivot scanner, which feels the same. It's based on pivot points. Pivot points are very important changes of the market, changes of trends, and mostly also points where the market has been before. All those things can be all found manually, just like harmonic patterns, but it will take you hours and hours and hours of work and a very trained eye with a lot of experience and probably a lot of mistakes to find those trades yourself. Use tools, use the technology from nowadays to help you find those high probability trades and make your life a lot easier trading never more than 3 hours a day. The bounce back strategy, the B, the green B here, is a strategy that made crazy amount of millionaires all over the world. Bounce back strategy is a strategy with a very, very tight stop loss. So it's a very, very low risk, but a very high gain. So basically, when the IMLTV educators started to coach this, we saw the results of all our students go up massively. So if you are a student with us, you didn't try bounce back yet, make sure you're in the Facebook group of Bounce Back. Make sure you are watching the videos and the support that is given there, because Bounce Back theory and the Bounce Back strategy is a really, really good tool to master. It's a little bit more advanced tool, just like the last tool that we have here, which is the web analyzer. And the web analyzer is a tool that gives a potential trade on average every 6 minutes. Now, the web analyzer is more of a tool where you can make your own strategy or use one of the 35 strategies from other people made before. The last time I checked, it was 35. It's maybe already more. But what the people are doing is they get trades based on the middle and short term time frames. You check it with your own strategy if you like to trade that trade, and then you take it. So it's a support tool to find more trades based on algorithmic patterns, but to check with your own strategy. So some of the tools are new, and some of the tools some of you already know for a longer time. Let's see how the new packages looks like. So basically, we have a package for someone who traded before. If you have some knowledge before, or if you just say like, I have the time, I go all in, I want to check it all, I want to try it all, we have the Elite Starter Pack. It's $325, and you basically get everything. You get the IML Academy, you learn the basics, you go to the IML TV to talk and chat with all the educators there. You get the harmonic scanner, but also Gold Cup, Web Analyzer, Swipe Coin, all the tools. And I think this is really a great all-in-one package for people to find their way in the first month. What fits you most? Are you going to like to trade Gold Cup? Are you like to trade high-frequency, short-term trades? Do you like more to trade with the web analyzer and build your own strategies? If you have some experience, I think it's great to test out our different products and make a decision after that, what you need and what you don't need. The second option is also to start a little bit more peaceful, let's say it like that, to start with the Platinum Starter Pack with just the Academy, where you learn all the basics, the IML TV, mostly basic educators, the harmonic scanner, and learn how to master this tool, the Night Owl sessions with Christopher Terry on Sunday evening American time, Monday morning Europe time. He gives a long-term outlook of the market for more longer-term trades. And Pip Talk is a tool where you can chat outside of the IML TV hours with the educators. Now, this Platinum Starter Pack starts for $225. It's about 210 euros, about 180 pounds. So basically, these are the two options to get started the first month. After that, you can make more choices where to, what to learn and where to specialize. Now, the first one is the Elite Pack, where you can just keep access to all the tools for $275. The second option is to take some more time and trade with the Platinum Monthly Pack, where you have the Academy, the TV, the harmonic scanner, and the Night Owl session. So you will be able to trade a little bit more longer term with the harmonic scanner and the Night Owl sessions, and learn everything on the IML TV sessions. Like, this is just the basics to make sure that you've got everything, and then you can just add whatever you need. The third option is the special high frequency forex pack. If you are at that moment only interested in really specializing yourself into binary options and high frequency forex and scalping, we have a very special pack for a very good price to have the high frequency academy high-frequency TV sessions from our experienced traders, the pip talk with those traders, and a special short-term scanner where you can find your trade setups. The last one is for the cryptocurrency fans around us, which is giving you the Digital Currency Academy to learn way more things into depth and into technical depth of cryptocurrency and how to trade cryptocurrency. The Digital Currency TV sessions with the Digital Currency TV educators. The Swipecoin app is including in this pack, and a special harmonic scanner version with multiple scans on the digital currency market. So not only Bitcoin, but there will also be multiple other digital currencies that are now giving harmonic scanner patterns next to the Bitcoin as of the volume rising. So basically, from those four packs, we can help you to choose. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and we can make the package together for you. If you have the basic platinum package, you can add the other tools, but also if you have the cryptocurrency package, you can add other tools to your subscription. So basically, if you have the cryptocurrency package, you can choose to still add swipe trade, forex trades to your phone, or the gold trades from Gold.com. So here you see the different separate prices where people get together on the different tools that you can add to your pack. Most important update for everybody who was using Swipecoin before, it went from $99 to $49. And for the cryptocurrency, people within us, for $180, you have the whole Academy TV and the harmonic scanner with cryptocurrency and Swipecoin in one pack for $180. So this price went crazy down compared to the cryptocurrency prices that we had before. So I'm really happy to open up with you guys that we are moving a lot more also in the cryptocurrency market, that forex is still the base, and that you should learn both worlds because digital currency is here to stay. Very important, and more important is that people keep going and keep learning how to trade. And this is something I cannot keep reminding it, but it's basically not something you can learn in 1 month. In 1 month, you maybe get some basic theory, you maybe practice a little bit on demo, and that's it. The second month, you practice more, you maybe go to a real account. The third month, you maybe make some money already with your real account. Of course, you should, coming back to the disclaimer, it all depends on how much time you invest in trading and learning how to trade and actually doing it. So how cool is it that your second month, your third month, your fourth month, and further can be free if you trade and learn how to trade together with 2 other people that you maybe already know, or that you met online, or that you meet in the bar or wherever. 2 in free is a very, very good solution for people who really want to trade long time with us and want to learn this skill in about 6 to 8 months and help other people to learn it as well. So you don't have to teach them yourself. The whole package, everything will do that for them together with their own coach. But if you use your unique referral link and you refer 2 active paying customers, you have a free, you have everything for free. Not only your current package, no, you have everything. You will also have the level scanners, the pivot scanner, the Swipecoin. You will have everything for free. So as long as you have 2 paying customers with your own referral link, you can use all the IML tools for free. And I think that's great because learning forex will take some time. Good. More questions regarding the products? Feel free to message me, feel free to use the chat box. We are going to over all the questions straight after the presentation. Very shortly, I want to stand still with how we are able to help 80,000 people all over the world, mostly in their local language, with a coach that is mostly within 500 kilometers or miles away from them. The reason that we have this opportunity is because we have a lot of coaches who are locally helping and supporting the local students. And we call this independent business owners. The first option how to earn as a coach is the team builder bonus. This is the first month fee that we get to help somebody to start. You see that in the first month, it's very important to help everybody to get started. It's very important to help everybody to have all their apps, have all their tools, and to advise them on how to get started and to trade on their demo account. Now for that, 3 coaches get a little bonus. The first and most important coach is getting $35 as a when they sell a platinum package. When you sell the Platinum Elite package, it will become $50. So we have an increase here for the bonus for the coaches that are on this call that are with us for a longer time. Now the second and the third coach are kind of backup coaches. They are supporting the main coach to help you. So that's the most important part. There's a one-time fee that's a little bit higher between the first month and the second month. And here you see the company is giving that all back to the local people in the field that are helping the customers to actually get started. Now, next to that, you can build up a career for doing a couple of things for 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, and then basically let it grow from there. The really, really good thing is that if you are having 3 active customers in your team, you are a Platinum 150, which means that you get $37.50 every week, every Friday. And this $150 per 4 weeks will help you to pay for your own package and keep learning. So for customers, we have 2 is free. For our coaches and our colleagues, we have 3 is free. Now, when you are growing together with your team to 12 customers that you are responsible for, to 12 students that you help to learn how to trade, your weekly paycheck will jump up to $150, which is $600 per 4 weeks, $600 per month. This is a very nice extra passive income. When your group, when your team, when your student group grows to 30 active students, you go to $250 on a weekly basis, which is $1,000 every month. Now, $1,000 every month for helping 30 people that want to learn how to trade part-time in mostly the evening, in the weekends, and in their own time from the comfort of their home, where you sometimes need to help them to grow, help them to motivate them, to help them to keep trading. That is a part-time job with a very nice extra income for you as a coach. Now you can grow way further, and the only thing I can really tell you, as I said in the disclaimer also before, building up a team, helping hundreds of people all around the world in multiple countries is not that easy. It is something that you really, really want to build up, and it is really worth it to spend maybe a couple of months, half a year, or even a year to build up a customer group of 75 customers getting $2,000 every month. I think that when you don't have to change anything of your life and just build up this company as a part-time income, you really move mountains for yourself. I was a telecom and IT entrepreneur for 11 years. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to help many, many people. I'm a trader for 6 years, so I don't have to help a team and get this kind of compensations. But what I can tell you is that in the month of February alone, I went to 5 different countries. I met hundreds of people. We went to Las Vegas with 7,000 traders, all like-minded people that all want to go further in life. And that I have a couple of hundred people in my team working together with my girlfriend to visit all kinds of places all over the world, help people that really want to achieve something and show them how it's done in the financial market. There's nothing else that gave me a greater pleasure in the last 15 years than doing that. So I'm really happy to be here. I'm really happy you guys are on this call, or if you watch this recording, thank you so much for your time. I'm here to answer any questions. We can help you to start learning how to trade. We can help you to build up a coaching career. Most important, we are just here for you. Thank you so much.